Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Soap, an everyday item we often take for granted, yet its history is as rich and diverse as the cultures that have used it for centuries. Join us as we dive into the fascinating story of how soap is made. To understand the origins of soap, we must journey back in time to ancient civilizations, where the concept of cleanliness was deeply intertwined with religious and cultural practices. Early civilizations like the Sumerians and Egyptians recognized the benefits of using substances like ashes and animal fats to cleanse the body. The first known formula for soap dates back to around 2800 BCE, found on a clay tablet in ancient Babylon. It consisted of water, alkali, and cassia oil. Throughout the ages, soap-making techniques evolved and spread across the globe. In ancient Rome, soap was produced on a large scale using tallow and ashes. During the Middle Ages, soap-making became an essential trade in Europe, with guilds established to regulate its production. One of the key advancements in soap-making came in the 18th century with the discovery of the chemical process known as saponification. This process involves the reaction of fats or oils with an alkali, such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, to produce soap and glycerin. Soap has not only played a crucial role in personal hygiene, but also in trade and commerce throughout history. In ancient times, it was often used as a form of currency, exchanged for goods and services. The popularity of soap continued to grow, with various cultures developing their own unique recipes and methods of production. In medieval Europe, soap making became a highly regulated industry with strict laws governing its production and quality. The Renaissance period saw a resurgence of interest in personal hygiene, leading to advancements in soap-making techniques and the development of scented soaps. By the 19th century, soap had become a household staple, with factories churning out vast quantities to meet the growing demand. The invention of synthetic detergents in the 20th century revolutionized the soap industry, offering consumers a wider range of options and formulations. With the Industrial Revolution, soap production shifted from small-scale workshops to large factories, where mass production became possible. Today, soap making is a blend of traditional methods and modern technology. While some artisans still craft soap by hand using age-old techniques, most commercial soap is manufactured using sophisticated machinery. The ingredients used in soap making have also evolved over time. While animal fats were once the primary source of oils, vegetable oils and synthetic additives are now commonly used. In a modern soap-making factory, the process begins with the careful selection and measurement of ingredients. Large quantities of fats or oils, often sourced from sustainable suppliers, are combined with precise amounts of alkali such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. These ingredients are then heated and mixed in large stainless steel tanks, ensuring thorough blending and consistency. Next comes the crucial step of saponification. The heated mixture undergoes a chemical reaction, resulting in the formation of soap and glycerin. Once saponification is complete, the soap mixture may be further processed to incorporate additives such as fragrances, colorants, or skin-nourishing ingredients. The now enriched soap mixture is then poured into molds, which can vary in size and shape depending on the desired final product. Once the soap has set, it is removed from the molds and cut into individual bars by automated machinery. These bars are then transferred to drying racks, where they undergo a curing process. During curing, excess moisture evaporates, resulting in harder, longer-lasting bars of soap. And finally, the soap bars are packaged and labeled. As we reflect on the remarkable journey we've taken through the history of soap making, we're reminded of the profound impact this humble product has had on human civilization. From its ancient origins to its modern-day iterations, soap has been an essential part of daily life, shaping cultures, economies, and even personal hygiene practices. Throughout the centuries, soap making has evolved from simple mixtures of fats and ashes to sophisticated chemical processes and mechanized production lines. Yet, at its core, soap making remains a blend of artistry, science, and tradition, with each bar of soap bearing witness to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of those who came before us. In today's world, soap making continues to evolve, driven by innovation, sustainability, and consumer demand. From natural and organic formulations to luxurious specialty soaps, the variety of options available reflects our ever-changing preferences and priorities. As we reach for soap in our daily lives, let's not forget the centuries of history and innovation that have gone into its creation. Let's remember the artisans and craftsmen who honed their skills over generations, and the scientists and engineers who revolutionized the industry with their discoveries and inventions. Soap is more than just a cleansing agent. It's a symbol of our shared humanity, connecting us across time and cultures. It's a testament to our ingenuity, our resourcefulness, and our relentless pursuit of cleanliness and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the history of soap making. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this essential product and the remarkable story behind it. Until next time, stay clean, stay curious, and embrace the legacy of soap making. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.